Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to convert your sales order to invoice in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the all apps here in the left side of your screen to open all of your available apps. And then you can go to inventory here and you will see sales order. You can click on it and then you will see all of your sales order here, and in my case I only have one. So let's say I want to convert this sales order to invoice. I'm gonna just go to far right and you will see action button here, the drop down, click on it, and there is option to convert to invoice, so you can just click on it. And now your sales orders has converted to invoice, so you can just check it, make sure all of the data is right, and then if you think it's all good, you can just click review and send in the bottom right corner. And then this is the preview, you can check it, and this is the preview, you can just click send and send invoice, and it's done. So it's converted from sales order to invoice. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.